toasting bread. Did you know that toasting bread is a chemical change? You might just think putting a piece of bread in the toaster, putting it down, toasting it, eating it. You might not think anything else of it. However, a chemical change is occurring. Crazy, right? So basically, adding heat to the bread cooks it, changing it at a molecular level, and it can't be reversed. Why? Well, toast the bread, it changes its composition here. So it's basically like burning the bread. So think of chemical change like fire burning wood. Well, you're burning the piece of wood, it changes its composition. It goes from wood to ashes. Well, bread, kind of the same thing is happening, same process, okay? So the change cannot be reversed. Once the bread is toasted, I can't bring it back to this state. As you can see, this type of bread, a regular piece of bread, is kind of squishy, very soft. Look at the details in the bread. Here it is right here. Now I put it in the toaster, and we have a piece of toasted bread. Now, huge difference. You can even hear it makes noise. But there it is right here. As you can see, it's burnt a little bit. The color has changed. Structure has changed on the bread. It looks a little different. Now let's put the two side by side with each other. Right here, right here. Now you see the two differences, like huge differences actually, in the bread. This one's very soft. This one is not very soft anymore. Pretty crunchy and crumbly. See? It's leaving crumbs all over my paper. But, yeah, it's kind of squishy a little bit. Put them next to each other again. As you can see, very different. Fun fact. So, carbon molecules in the bread sugars and starches react with the amino acid of the bread protein. So, this is why the chemical change occurs. It is due to the carbon molecules in the bread sugars and starches, and they react with the amino acids of the bread. Interesting. Did you know that there was carbon molecules in bread sugar and starches? Maybe you didn't. Now you learned something new. But it is. I think it's super interesting that it's a chemical reaction that takes place when you are toasting bread. So hopefully you learned a couple fun facts. You learned something new about it. And, well, how do you like your toast? Me? Not so much. Not like that. But I kind of like it kind of in between. Not the super burnt stuff. But this, it's pretty good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.